Welcome to MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and today we're on board a 2024 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. As you'll see from the profile, the boat does have the new platinum hull side color from Boston Whaler, the chrome graphics, the white rub rail with the stainless steel insert, and it does come with the galvanized single axle trailer. For horsepower, we've upgraded it to the 115 4-stroke. At the transom, you do have two insertable backrests that give you the port and starboard side jump seats. It does have the teak inlay, which gives you the teak package on the gunnels as well as on the swim platform. Nice big bimini top in black canvas that is collapsible. At the helm, you have a 4-position backrest to give you forward-facing seating, half-facing seating, or the leaning post option. Underneath this, now that they've redesigned the boat, they've now given you a 25-gallon in-deck fuel tank. That freed up the storage space underneath the helm seat. So you either have storage or, as this boat's equipped, the livewell. At the helm, you have a JL audio system. You have your head unit here at the helm, 2 speakers at the transom, and 2 speakers at the console. Your flush-mounted Simrad GPS chart plotter fish finder. It does come equipped with the fishing package, which is going to give you designated tackle storage on the side of the console, your compass, and your removable cooler seat with backrest and 4 rod holders in front of the console. Up in the bow of the boat, you do have a nice big bow cushion here. These cushions are removable. You do get a fish box storage, and forward of that is your anchor locker. The boat is outfitted with the trolling motor panel, and that automatically gives you the low profile bow rails, and we've also optioned this boat out for the low profile cockpit rail. That's a real quick look at our 2024 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. If you'd like some more information, give us a call at 910-256-8100.